In the previous video we learned how to create a date and time. Let's now make an expiration date, and it will also change automatically. To do this, I will create a copy of the date and time template and put it below. To make a copy of the desired one, click on the two files icon. To change it, click on the pencil icon. Now we need to specify how many days the date will be shifted. Let's change it to 180. Fine, let's apply the settings and see the result. I am happy with the result. Now we have two templates that will change automatically. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to our channel, we still have a lot of interesting things.